I'm Lauren and this is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Head Over Meals Challenge, where we're sharing weekly food challenges to inspire you to eat well in the new year.
Yes, and this week's challenge is to try a gut-healthy food.
So when it comes to promoting gut health, it's important to get a good amount of both probiotics, which I think is what most of us think of when we think of gut health, as well as prebiotics. So prebiotics actually help promote that good bacteria, so they essentially feed the probiotics or the good bacteria.
Right, and those probiotics then are, you've probably heard they're kind of like the good bacteria, like you said, but getting them from food sources can help to keep the bacteria that's in your gut kind of in a balance. It helps to boost your immunity and just kind of contributes to your overall health. So it is important to get those from food sources as well. So where do we get those? Fermented dairy products are a great source of probiotics, so things like yogurt and kefir, which is a fermented yogurt drink. Kombucha is also a fermented drink, so that's a great source of probiotics. Also things like fermented cabbage, so if we're thinking about like kimchi or sauerkraut, those are also really great sources of those healthy bacteria.
Yes, and then of course we need to feed those bacteria. So what do we feed them with? That would be the prebiotics. So examples of that would be fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Coincidentally, onions are actually really high in those prebiotics, as well as bananas, soybeans, lots of different foods.
Yes, so we've got a couple recipes here that kind of combine those pro and prebiotics so that we're getting that healthy bacteria but also giving that bacteria something to feed on as well. So here we've got, this is a cereal yogurt parfait. So we're combining bananas, one of those prebiotics, and yogurt, a probiotic, all in one dish.
Yes, and on more of the savory end for maybe a meal idea, this is kimchi fried cauliflower rice. So we've got our cauliflower in there as our vegetable, but then the kimchi is our probiotic, and we're feeding it with onions and garlic, which are good sources of those prebiotics.
Yes, so go try your gut healthy food this week. We're excited to see what you come up with.